Okay, make it simple. See, well, there are a lot of benefits of playing sports. First of all, cardiovascular health. For example, if somebody tend to run a lot, let's say that running in a marathon, for example, so it improves our cardiovascular health. Secondly, it also improves our muscles, right? We gain muscles, even we lose muscles depending on our desired result or goal. Number three, it makes our life active. We become very active, right? We avoid sedentary lifestyle. So sports are a lot of things in this cosmic world. We have extreme number of sports, so sports are really important in our life. I'm sorry, just I carried away somewhere else. uh, Anything else should I ask? Why do you play football, any games or sports personally? Why do you play? Is it for fun or you have some other benefits you want to do?
No, sir, I play any outdoor game for fun. When I was doing some study, to go get refreshed to my mind, so I play outdoor game. So I like kabaddi. This is the best outdoor sport which I like, and uh, this is a sport which I like when I was studying and to get refreshed.
Tell me about your family members, especially your paternal side, your father's side. Tell me just few lines about paternal side of the family, means father side of the family.